All right, I'm back in the shop there. You know, and I put up the pictures of that Gene Husting's old original 12i from back in the day. A lot of people thought it was pretty cool, so I thought I'd bring out some other interesting little car. Like, look at this. Not a lot of people are aware of this. This is a 1979 Phoenix ER-12. Now, I don't know if it's called an ER-12 or a Project ER-12, but it's this car came out in '79. All the stuff going on there. I don't know the whole story on this car. It's just one of those I came up with, you know. This box is pretty rough, but I was happy to get it. I'd say it's the same on both sides. Let's open this dude up. I need to figure out a better way to do this. Like with two hands or something. Whoop. All right, here we go. I'm gonna stand up for this. And that is a 1979 ER-12. Now hold on, let me get this box and stuff out of the way. Although let's look at it real fast. What do we got here? That I think says Bob is awesome. That part, that's Bob awesome. Pretty sure that's what that is. Instruction manual is perfect. Stickers, not bad for 40 years old, eh? There's the phone number. I wonder if they're still around. I don't see any dates on any of this stuff. What do we got here? A little bag of stuff. A little wrench. Ooh. Don't take your car out boating with your girlfriend, I think is what that says right there. And this guy has got like 10,000 watts of power, I think is what he's doing. The sun is a little mad at that plane. Be careful. Be careful with the sun. This is cool, actually. This might be this is the hidden treasure in the box, I'll bet. What else we got here? Some kind of update on speed control, no doubt. Let me move this back a bit. How cool is this car? Oh, got a hunk of wood stuck to it. You know, that's stuck there now forever. I might just leave that. I love this style. You know what I mean? With the big front. That's real 8th gas looking to me. I like that style. These, I believe, are the tubes. You're supposed to put your batteries in. Let's flip this dude over. Let's take the body off if we can do it. Oh, these are tight. I need to develop or come up with some kind of tool that hangs my phone around my neck so I can get two hands to do these little videos. Because I like doing these. I might do more of these. Kind of shows everybody the cool cars that are out there you didn't know were out there. Come off of there. It's been on there for 40 years. Give it up! Look at that! '79 Phoenix ER-12. Oh, I like this design. Look at that. Coming through the back there. Oh, that's cool. That motor connector's neat. That resistor's super cool. How does that work exactly? Oh, I like that. This looks real 8th gas right here. Look at that. I wonder where you're supposed to put servo. Let's go in the middle here, I'll bet. Yeah, I'll bet right here. I should have looked more at the pictures. Let's see what else we got here. These little tubes. Oh, look at this! These tubes! That's a little rubber dude. I don't want to pull it off. It'll probably snap, but apparently you loosen this little rubber dude, slide your cells into these little yellow toilet paper tubes. Actually, they're plastic. That's sweet. 32-pitch gears. This car is super cool. Oh, look at that. Gear diff, too. That is a tiny motor. It's like a little 380. It's not a 540 motor. Look at that little dude. You know, that was probably all it took, really, back in the day to get these cars to work. Because this car probably did not handle very well. I mean, it's a plank. I mean, look at it. I like this car a lot. Well, there you go. Just a quick look at a 1979 Phoenix ER-12, fresh out of the box. This means this is exactly what one should look like. There's nothing on here that shouldn't be on here, so this is a good example of this car. Cool. All right, carry on. Or don't carry on. I don't care what you do. I'm not the boss of you.